The future of work is changing, fast. The traditional 9-to-5 job is no longer the only path to financial success. In 2026, side hustles will be the norm, not the exception. Why? Because technology has evolved, opportunities are endless, and anyone with a smartphone has access to a world of possibilities. Side hustles are not just about extra cash, they are about freedom, flexibility, and following your passion. They give you the chance to explore new skills, test new ideas, and maybe even turn your passion into your full-time job. So, what are the best side hustles for 2026? Let's dive in. First up is the creator economy. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram have exploded, and they are not just for fun. People are making real money, real impact. The secret is not just about being entertaining, it's about providing value, sharing knowledge, and building a community around your unique perspective. Micro-influencers are on the rise. They are relatable, authentic, and brands love working with them for genuine engagement. Next, we have the gig economy. Apps like Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash are not new, but they are evolving. More specialized services are emerging. Think pet sitting, home organization, or virtual assistants. These gigs offer flexibility. You choose when to work, how much to work, and it's easy to get started. All you need is a skill and a willingness to hustle. E-commerce is another powerhouse. In 2026, online shopping will be bigger than ever. But here's the twist. It's not just about selling products. It's about selling experiences. Think personalized subscription boxes, curated gift sets, or even digital products like ebooks and courses. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon make it easier than ever to start your own store, craft your niche, and connect with customers around the globe. Then there's the digital real estate market. Sounds complex? It's simpler than you think. Websites and domain names are valuable assets. People buy and sell them for profit. You can start by buying domains that might be popular in the future, or create content-rich websites that generate passive income from ads. It's an investment in the digital world, one that could pay off big time. Freelancing takes the next spot. It's not just for writers or designers anymore. Skills like coding, social media management, and even data analysis are in high demand. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. You can work from anywhere, set your own rates, and build a diverse portfolio that showcases your expertise. Online teaching and tutoring wrap up our list. Education is going digital, and there's a growing demand for online teachers, tutors, and coaches. Whether you're an expert in math, language, or even yoga, platforms like Teachable, Skillshare, and VIP Kid let you share your knowledge, teach at your own pace, and reach students from around the world. Each of these side hustles offers more than just extra income. They offer a chance to learn, to grow, and to adapt in a rapidly changing economy. The key is to start, experiment, and see what resonates with you. The future of work is flexible, agile, and full of potential. In 2026, the best side hustle is not the one that everyone is talking about. It's the one that aligns with your skills, your interests, and your lifestyle. The one that challenges you, excites you, and makes you eager to jump out of bed in the morning. The possibilities are endless, but they start with a single step. So take that step and see where your side hustle journey takes you.